Hey, what's up guys? It's Joe with HSP Diesel. Today I want to go over a little bit of a deeper dive on Gator Studs part number HSK66, which would be for your 01 to 16 Duramaxes. These are available now at hspdiesel.com. If you're somebody who's pushing your truck to the limits, whether at the track or pulling a trailer, a lot of times your cylinder pressures and temperatures are going to be well beyond what the factory components can withstand. Gator fasteners are designed to be able to withstand those higher pressures and temperatures within the cylinders to be sure that you're not going to be lifting those heads and having trouble with head gaskets in the future. One of the questions we get is why choose Gator Studs over other options? One, they're priced really competitive. Their packaging is awesome. They have super detailed assembly instructions, and they have a 2-year manufacturer's defect warranty. With a full parts replacement, you have any issues, there's really no reason not to choose Gator. All right, so that's it for today's deep dive into the HSK66 Gator Fastener Kit. That would be for your 01 to 16 Duramaxes. If you guys have any other questions, please hit up our sales team or leave your comments below. Hey, if you like this video, but this stud kit wasn't for you, click the link above, head over to hspdiesel.com and see the entire line of Gator fasteners to see which one is right for your build.